Okay, Dr. Hubner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Shan. And Shan is here. How far out are you now, Shan? Has it been a year yet or just shy of a year, right?
9 months.
9 months. So this is his 9-month result, and this guy's blown me away with his results. He's very happy. We just talked about how much his wife likes it and how much people at work are talking about it. But Shan, tell me about your decision to come to us. Are you happy you came to us? And tell us about how your hair has changed your life.
Yes, thanks a lot. Before that, I need to thank you, doctor. This makes me I have more confidence now. That's really I made right decision coming to you, to meet you in person, make the decision immediately.
Good. I'm happy to do it for you.
Yeah, I think I just give the one to how I came to you. One day I was discussing with my friend. Someone told me one doctor in Miami doing a hair transplant. I don't know. He didn't mention that what is the doctor name kind of thing. Immediately I gone through the YouTube. I got your reference. Next day I got the appointment with you. Immediately in a week I got the procedure date. I done it. I flew from California to Florida to meet you in person. But as everyone has the same feeling, first 6 months, everyone, I also fall the same thing. First 6 months, you have to be full faith on doctor.
Right. Because nothing happens for 4 months.
You make me very confident. First 6 months, I also nervous. No result I am seeing.
Yeah.
But after 6 months, I was blowing like anything.
That's the hardest part, is those first 4 to 6 months where nothing really is happening, and then when it starts growing, it's very thin. So people sometimes need a pep talk or an encouragement to just assure them, hey, just wait, it's coming. So I'm glad you had so much more confidence, and the befores and afters speak for themselves.
Doctor, yeah. You can give my number to anyone. I can make them to very confident.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much, Chen. Well, I'm very happy for you, and thank you for just so before you go, you mind putting your chin down to your chest so we can see the top? Yep. Perfect. And then maybe one from the left side and right side. Perfect. Yep. Wow. Any issues with your scar in the back?
No issues. Nothing. My wife couldn't be able to find out where the scar.
Can't even find it. Perfect. Awesome. Well, Shan, you're the reason that I do what I do. This is my favorite part of my job. And I can't wait to see how this affects your life in a positive way. And thank you for showing everybody else.
My wife told me I want you to be more younger. I plan to do the second procedure with you in 6 months something. Excellent.
We give you even more density if you need it. Excellent. Thanks again, Shan, and we look forward to seeing your results.
Thanks a lot, doctor. Really appreciate it. Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.